little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a swing cradle.
Yay!
Let's swing into it. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's take our black marker and begin. First, we draw a long horizontal bar at the top. This is the part that holds the swing. Now, let's draw 4 slanted legs to hold the bar. 2 on the left side. And 2 on the right side, just like a strong triangle on each side. Time to draw the seat of our swing cradle, a cute little curved shape at the bottom. Now draw 2 chains, one from each side of the seat, going up and attaching to the top bar. Awesome! Our swing is ready. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Just trace over the lines once more. Whoa! That looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to add some color. Are you ready? Let's go! Pink color. Let's color the swing seat.
Wow!
Blue color. Color the chains now. Purple color. Fill in the top bar. Yellow color. Color the inner sides of the legs. Green color. And now the outer sides of the stands. Whoa! It's so colorful and fun! You did an amazing job today! Thanks for drawing with us at Toddlers Art Hub! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art! See you next time, and keep coloring your world! Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video!